You've got a phone in your hand, but still no money? You have internet, but zero income. My friend, that's about to change today. If you want to earn money online without spending a single rupee, then in this video, I'm going to share 5 proven methods that work straight from your phone, and they're completely free. Watch till the end because the bonus tip is the most powerful one. First method is freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork let you offer services like writing, photo editing, or voiceovers. And if you don't know the skill yet, learn it from YouTube or ChatGPT in just 7 days. You can apply directly using their mobile apps. Second idea, YouTube Shorts automation. Faceless short videos are going viral these days. Use apps like Canva and CapCut to create motivational quotes, facts, or funny videos. Get your script from ChatGPT, put it in a text-to-speech app, and boom, you're done. Third method is selling digital products like eBooks or Notion templates. Create them using Google Docs or Notion for free, then upload on Gumroad. Share the link in your Instagram or WhatsApp bio, and wait for sales. Fourth idea, online tutoring. If you're good at any subject like math, English, or science, you can teach younger students online. Apps like Zoom or ClassPlus make it easy. Even if you've only passed 10th grade, you can teach kids in 5th or 6th. Fifth method, microtask apps. Apps like Swagbucks, Taluna, or Rusdon let you earn money by completing small tasks or surveys. It won't make you rich, but it's real pocket money. And bonus tip, content writing using AI. Use ChatGPT to help you write a blog and publish it on medium.com. If your blog gets views, you earn in dollars. No investment, just smart work. Which of these methods have you already tried? Tell me in the comments. And if you want a full step-by-step tutorial on any one method, comment full video below. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. I've added some helpful links in the description. Make sure to check them out. And remember, online income only comes to those who take action. Now it's your turn.